Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to send messages in TikTok. So unfortunately there's no one solution that will work for everyone, so you'll need to go through each of these steps to find the method that works for you. So the first thing you need to do is just ensure that your birthday on TikTok is over 16 years old. There was a new update to TikTok recently where if you're under 16 on the app you'll be unable to send messages, so just make sure your profile has the correct birth date, and if you are under 16 on the app that will be the reason you're unable to send messages. Now once you've ensured your birthday is in order, you need to head over to the home screen on your iPhone, and then from here we're going to head inside of the App Store. Now just head over to your profile icon in the top right hand side and then scroll down slightly to automatic updates, and if you do see TikTok inside of this list of pending updates, then you'll just need to go ahead and install that now, and then once you've ensured TikTok is fully up to date you can close out of this window, and then we're going to head over to the settings menu, scroll all the way down this list until you see the TikTok application. Select TikTok right at the bottom here, and you need to make sure that contacts is toggled on like so, and once you've turned on contacts you can then head back over to the TikTok application and we can now check to see if that's fixed the issue. If that's still not working, another thing that you can try is switching to a second account. So you can do that just by clicking the down arrow at the top of your profile page, and if you do have a second account here then try switching over to that account and then heading back inside of your main account. Sometimes this can also solve the issue. Now if you have tried all of these steps and that still hasn't done anything, the last thing we can do is head over to the navigation in the top right hand side, click on settings and privacy, click on account at the top, click on user information, and just ensure you have both a phone number and an email linked to your account. Once you have both of these linked, we're then going to head back over to the settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select log out, click on log out, and once you've logged out of your TikTok account we're then going to head over to the home screen of your iPhone, hold down on the TikTok application like so, click on remove app and then press delete app to remove it. Once you've deleted the TikTok application we then need to head back over to the App Store, search for the TikTok app and then simply reinstall it to your device. Once you've reinstalled it you can then open it back up and log into your account, and you should now be able to send messages. So it's as simple as that guys. If you did find this video helpful then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.